fully active. And when me talk active, me I talk about movie. On True Wrld TV. Remember, one Colline Book Boss and I represent for True Wrld TV. So you are welcome back to a movie, and you say a movie in name I in love with my best friend. You get what me I say? But anyhow, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And me I talk about fans who are not fans yet and fans who are fans. Just do the right thing. But anyhow, we kinda look a strength. You see me? In a real life, we know a hard time and all, but we there, I do the right thing. I put out the movie them, the people them. We kind of like the movie them and like the movie them what we put out. You see me? But some complainants and some people kind of text and I say, yo, in the comment, like, you know, the talking, you can hear some little blurriness and. But yo, we just do this. We don't have a mic set off our own, so we just do it. You see me? So really and truly, we kind of look some support. So who can support the thing? We are just leaving number up on the screen. You see me? But we want also a mic set. You get what me I say? And we also want a phone. You see me? For shoot. You get what me I say? Because the space kind of kill we. You get what me I say? So who can give you a strength? You see me? That would be really, what man call it? Strength, support. You see me? As we say, who can give you a strength? Just give you a strength. You look at donation and remember. True Wrld TV and the number up on the screen. You see me? Big up all of my fans them, yard and abroad. You get what me I say? One True Wrld TV for the people and only for the people. Room.
Hopefully I live good, man. And when you ever find out, man, yo, find out, man, someone live like a them.
Nice. Yeah, this one you have some real people in our life, bro. Then I tell you, you have to just live good, yeah, man. You have to yeah, boy.
I don't eat from morning.
Boy, you don't eat from morning?
No.
Right, you know me not look about something here, man. Ah, boy. You see how far me I left come follow you? Me not gonna further, me not gonna no further right as me attack. Right. Watch out. Me not pass just up. Right just
every time you follow me come and say you don't want to pass, go on for and we are ahead from.
Man. Yo, you know me love you and so. Yeah, later here. Alright, love you my friend. Ah boy. Yeah, love is good. Good friend is good and love is good. Love is good. Love is good.
Yeah, I'm in general.
Yeah. Eh?
You may meet your time now.
Me?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Oh, what going?
Yeah, I'm there, man.
Respect.
In general, I don't say I don't know you from nowhere. I mean, I think you know me from nowhere, but God know, man. I rate how you know I move. God know, me there so I sit down and I just admire it. God know, when me get a woman in the future, someone that want, she love me and me love her and you can vocal with you and everybody can see. Love how you feel woman I live in general.
Oh, Tia?
You don't know her name.
The girl will bring up myself?
Yeah.
No, man. No, man, I'm a woman, man.
Huh?
I'm a friend, man. My best friend from school days.
That a nice, clean girl that we are walking.
Yeah, man, I'm a friend. I'm a good friend. I'm a general. I'm a dopes. I'm a dog. I'm a I'm a meow.
Allah, yeah, tell, man. That a nice, clean girl that we are walking with. That's a...
Yeah, man, I'm a friend, man. Me and him live good, man.
Yeah, and him live good for true.
I'm a charge. Me do anything for him, man. I saw me and her live, man. But anyhow, respect for your compliment, same way, man. And one day I will find a real woman in your life just like she, man. You see me?
Yeah.
All for respect. You my father?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
A nice, clean girl there. And for your woman. And look how much I love your woman like you know that. The dog saying best friend. I really have to wonder if I lie and tell me, cause that don't make no sense. Friend and friend no hug so. Or might be me not had any type of friend there, but I don't think big man would tell me no lie. I really have to wonder.
Then I could have make you a smile, so nobody tell me say what man you find.
No girl, I'm not find no man. The man who then claim to see my man. My bestie? Yes. But what make you smell what you so nice, son? You could have just go on the van and wait for me.
But no son there on me there. Since you come son and raise up, so
Come on.
I don't know how I make you a blood sign. Where you come from?
Girl. You know, say, Upper Beach, may I come from?
Beach.
Yes, girl.
I don't look like a swim.
No, me no go in the water because the water dirty and something.
Big and serious now here. I make one time I'm not go nowhere. I'm not invite me. I'm not feel say me go beach. I'm not feel say me go places too.
Girl, we never want our third wheel. And plus, I did something sudden. I never really not on my plan. And I'm in bed me then, girl. In my panty and my brassiere, you know. And coloring book come knock me up. So I just put on clothes and come on. I not even know where me I go.
Okay.
So I say I go now.
Speaking of coloring book now. Me I wonder what I'm doing because other day when he set me up on him and me and him talk and so off. Me like him, you know, and me can't see him like me. But he might hesitate. It's like, me don't know if I want nobody or whatever, but me I go sleep with him. And we there in the night, and not even sexy man ask me for, and bare man know anything me ask him for and give me, you know. And you know when man are giving things, man.
Give me some of your drinks, because this are Korea, they get hot. Talk.
Bare man know when man are giving things, you know. You know, some man will say, alright, you me like you, you like me, so why not? Go ahead. Understand? Send the verse to sex me, I said, no, sir, something wrong. You might hesitate. I don't know what wrong, but something wrong.
So me to something, Alia. Oh, you just tell me this?
Because my baby is your best friend, and to how you and him they all over a place, you and him alone, me don't even have time to see it here. Everyone who go you don't even say call me. Alia, me I go listen.
So me not have WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me. Or TikTok message.
Face to face. Then there's something you talk about phone. You know, say phone of yours. Everything record on phone now. I don't want to record. I'm going to hear me tell us say, man, me go a man here and a man David touch me. I don't want that. But me if you know why problem.
Girl, maybe he just not panic. Just not panic yet. You understand? Yeah. And all you, I rejoice if you rejoice, you know. At least, you know, say coloring book a good man. Because you have some man, you go sleep at the yard where you think they go want.
That's the reason why I say that. A good youth, yes, but sometimes I feel wonder if why people them are saying in the street are true. Cause me I wonder if he like you, I just not tell you.
Alia, nothing like that. Me and coloring book are just friend. I'm my best friend. A matter of fact, if coloring book they like me, he that tell me. Cause a man will love talking in mind. He won't tell you what they pan in mind. You understand what I say? So nothing like that, girl. Stop think about that. That's
no, well, you know, the media saying me would like if you handle the situation a little better. If it's not a match, tell me.
Alia, you overthink. And that's your problem. Coloring book no want me. He no want me and him are just friend. Okay. How far we are come from and sitting wipe that on the carpet, man. A good man. Cause me I tell her say, let me tell her this. Me go through 2 men in my life. You understand what I say? And you see 2 men and me go through, a dog them. So you see a fine coloring book way. Now rush off your sex, girl. Stop overthinking.
No, this me not and I like say me a complain to you know or sex or whatever, you know. But me I say in a show no interest. No interest no did it, nothing no did it. Not at all. Well it good still, maybe
time
just
not
in type or maybe you just look for a woman way, good woman. I don't know if you say. Honestly, I don't know if you say.
Anyways, mama, may I go buy something out of shop? So, you can go on, mom. May I buy something out of shop? Oh, get my girl. What? You love chat and sit me and see, man.
I true, man. Taffy.
Here, come on. Come on.
But basically, what me tell us still, my bro, that girl where you try to line me up on, a fool like that. I basically a money me see you want. You see me? I don't know relationship. You just want somebody if dig out them pocket, carry my burger thing and then sit in the dog. Right now, I feel like saying that this me feel on 2 grand, bro. No jokes. You see me? You know, value loyalty. You just value what somebody can give. Now that me not really depend at this moment in time, bro. You see me? Just try to do your right. Oh, yo, I'm soon call her. Hello, pretty girl. Hi, me can I have a minute of your time?
Oh, me?
Yeah, you may talk, man. Hi, good morning. First things first, I'm not a stalker. That me just want to get that clear. But you see, a while ago, you see you and your boyfriend are passed, and God know, me just feel warm inside. You know, say you and him a live so loving, you can hug up and display the emotions for the road and all of them sitting there. And you see, any day in a life, me so fortunate to find a beautiful somebody will love me. And me, them love me and me love them. Like up to Uno and move. God know, I feel like some happiest man in the world. So me just want to big up your on that.
Yeah, man. Anyways, here where you have it all around. I know my boyfriend. I'm a bestie, I'm a G, I'm a chargy. Anyway you want to call it, but I'm not my boyfriend, man.
You where you walk with up the road, where you hook you up, and your boyfriend?
No, I mean, bag that. From primary school days till now. You understand? So,
God no, man. Would I love to have one woman in my life like you then in front of your boyfriend? Yeah.
Alright. Anyways, have a nice day, yeah?
Alright, you too.
Alright.
You know, bad looking though.
Girl. Where am I doing? Taking home my phone.
You like the boy, so you have to come like me?
Yo, my bro. You're all gone. Big up yourself, but me know how you give me the one. No more woman. Me know how you try to set me up on no more woman. Cause right now, I find the love of my life. I not even know her name yet. But me have to get the girl the bro, so me not interested in nothing else what you try to do. You see the movie name coming to America. I said so I'm sure so me I'll get the girl here. Alright, bro.
Yo, coloring book. Where you dealing? Yeah, my God, where the pan?
Why? Yeah, they the marina like you have a little moms inside, man.
Nah, man. You know, say a beach me go wake up tea early this morning.
The same thing I say. Right now it's sun hot like your chemistry and tea have.
Yeah, man. I must have 4 men tea come from me, man. I must have from this a school, yeah. This a school, yeah. This a school, yeah. Now we in this a school, yeah. You get me? I say, I really listen.
But you know, so what me couldn't go in this a school, yeah.
No, sir.
And that they wanna feel up, boy, man.
No, sir. Tia no want me, bro.
Your face, sir.
Tia no want me.
You ever try?
If Tia ain't want me, I know already, bro. But you know, Tia I'm a friend, I'm a charge, I'm a dupes, I'm a general, I'm a her, I'm a meow.
Brother, you know, I say, if friendship I wanna have, it's like everybody in our community, I say, oh, I want it. So, brother, it makes sense.
That they say?
Yeah, everybody see so.
Hey,
even me see so, because I wanna move close, you can't go in a room. Me see y'all in a house, in a panty and now y'all go in there. I'm man alone do them the same.
Yeah, that's just when I go wake up, bro, 6 o'clock. And when I knock on the door, as I knock on the door, even if you have money in there, I just push the door, panty and brassiere.
Watch that, man. You see? You can't tell me nothing, you know. You can't tell me say now going in a panty.
No, man, I'm a charge, man.
Look for me good, man. You know, get going.
No, man, for real, man, I swear to God, I'm a charge, I'm a friend.
No benefit.
I'm no benefit. I'm no benefit.
Anything you feel, then.
I say, go on, you know, put on your beach. Me cold.
So you're not alone at the beach?
Me can't go to the beach, man, when you get to swim, because the water dirty. But you know what you do? Take out you out of it. You see people that want to say my name there, then chat too much. They love people business, me not talk, you know. They love people business too much. If you love people business, man, as people and people that live good, then they in a business.
I don't know I carry no business in their people them face. Because when I walk past and I ramp up and I love up, me always say I carry all palm back and something. Me that think the same thing too. So I like them chat too much.
Hold on there.
I hope anytime Tia get married or something or you get married and me a best man.
Hold on. Puppy. At this man, me can't take up on my back when me come from.
So no, that me a try to show. Then where you walk with her? You go like in a room, you carry on your back. Not on the road.
So them people Wi-Fi pick up.
Yes.
From what if my Wi-Fi give problem?
Well, for them a pick up. Sometimes you go have place where Wi-Fi work and the other place Wi-Fi not work.
When Tia married and me I go be the best man. Me I want to have cake and I love cake. You see me?
Be best man though.
Eh?
Never be best man though.
Well, I can't be the best man, you know, because I love the cake.
No, watch your man.
I joke me I make man.
With that,
I joke me I make man. But yo, big man thing, I'm a charge man, I'm a dopes man.
Put a woman in your room. A full time now, because you say come like a thing now, connect with
Yo.
your tea, because you say a friendship.
Puppy Dan. From me I go to school, you know, there a whole heap of girl me have, you know. Remember say we used to play all football, you know. And we have a girl and we call them Caesar girl. A whole heap of girl me go to, you know. Just wait for the right girl and now my friend man. Me not really worry.
Ali on the right one. Other day when me see Tia hook up it to her, you know. What happened? Phone flow, Wi-Fi name that work, yeah, Ali.
You know what I'm not like Ali, I want nice girl, sexy.
So the Bluetooth connection connect.
You know say sometimes when you and two person talk, you see friend you not connect. You just not connect.
Ali I try find the Bluetooth to connect. It's
not
peer,
connect.
non-peer.
And there's a one girl like anything she asks me for me give. And a one girl, I know like she has stalk me or she has nyam me out or nothing, bro.
You don't say that pan her?
No. You see me? Me and her, as I said that, he does not connect. You see me? Sometimes you can't rush. It's a relationship. You can't rush, you go play football. But it's a relationship, you can't rush relationship.
Sure.
And to be honest, bro, every night when she come sleep with me, we ask her for sex. Because here we going on now.
You know, for sex.
Me never really want to ask her for sex and then me and her go sex. And tomorrow morning, me wake up like, me not feel that way and take a look like me use her if you just get to her, get in her local closet. So me never feel in that.
Brother, me feel like your relationship the right in front of you, you know, see. That's what me have to say.
Well, at least if you're in front of me, I'm open. I want test glass. Me
Tia
can
one
see.
nice girl, you know, me like Tia.
Bro, why every minute me I tell her, every minute me I Tia, I'm a friend, bro.
But you know why me would look for look Tia? Because me no want me ain't no problem. Because boy, me just feel like a fear relationship.
Thing, man. Tia,
so I'm a friend. Day and then you pray.
Tia, I'm a friend. My friend, bro. Just like what me are bridging.
Tia, man.
Well, since me know, so when I talk to two man, you know, and he never work out and he cry on my shoulder. Around 3 days, she over my yard asleep. He never go over my yard. You see me? He me give me bed and I sleep in a city.
Oh,
you see me?
Good friend for real. They give me bed and you sleep in a city.
Yeah, dog. I'm a friend.
And you never run up in a fear city.
No, dog. Why me couldn't be a span that man?
No, me just ask. Remember say we just ask, bro. Cause you see all them sitting there when you chase people over fear yard. People feel like you play with her.
Yo, let me tell you something. You see, if you're going to live your life, you think about what people think about you. You're not going to make no sense.
You're not reach nowhere.
You see me?
Just please yourself.
Yeah, if you just please yourself, bro.
A real talk.
You see, sometimes you have a woman in your life or your friend, and then you go soft spot it and you go make love or you go sex. You know what? When you don't work out, the friendship gone, and the sex need worthy. So sometimes you just keep a good friend in your life, dog. I run on some panty, bro. I tell you that. And as long as he live, he might go the right to say in my life, because I'm a charge. She did it for me and I did it for her.
Brother.
She understand me and me understand her. If him there with a man in her life now, the man even know him favorite color, he don't know nothing about him and me.
You know everything.
So by any idea does that. So what I go on different?
I'm there, so I come get a link. You see me and I'm a virgin. I have to collect money from, but you know, so anytime I afford my place, I have to link it, because I'm a charge, you know, man.
God, my friend, man, I want to
Yo, a long time when I go and play field and knock some ball, you know, man, and salad some boy, you know.
I want to tell you,
I play some evening ball today.
I can't manage the evening ball. Because I me hustle in the sun. And by the time if you do so, I'm going to play ball, I'm tired.
But you can't manage the night ball, yeah, though.
Well, I want to tell you, around 2 months now, I have a woman in my life, you know. Because you see all of them girls now. They want to tell us they're pregnant and buy an idea. When you give them the money, they're not pregnant. You see me? They want to tell us when you come check them, put ketchup on them body.
True.
The next one of them just want money. None of them don't really love you. Them just love what you can give them. So I just go and hold out till me find somebody who want me for me and me want them for them. So I just that me I go and hold out one, bro.
Alright.
I have a good friend in my life, you know, dog. Me generally, you know, that you know.
Yeah, I mean, man, I'm Tia, man.
Yeah, man.
One family.
We are keep link, man, you see me?
I to you.
A code here.
Alright.
That a code. That's your that. Grimy, close that.
Wonderful.
I don't know what I said on my chair, you know.
I that with you.
What I said on my chair. I couldn't feel you had some more for the chair.
I can't manage out the door because the door just hot and just, I don't know.
No, no drink them or something there. I have to drink my soda.
No, that way you love Pepsi too much.
Yes, you almost done. Right now, one more. You have to go buy. You almost done.
You don't see as me buy something, you just turn your head.
Remember, say drink what you want to make the house first. So don't worry if you like it.
What? Take some.
Yo, what are you? Your face stick.
Take some
Me don't
man. Girl.
Me don't want that.
Wallace.
Beat me.
Alright, so what going on?
What going on? See, I think, boy, I look for the boy, this man, and smile, can see, I like the boy. Watch you.
What wrong with you? No, just tell me, what wrong with you, Alia?
You like the boy, I thought one.
Oh, you know so me like him?
Because I want me to walk, tears you every minute. And you have me to say, who you too? I don't know, how can I ask the boy for your number?
I know that you know, girl. He just surprised me. Like, this guy, he surpassed all guys when me meet. Like, when I walk on the road and he just know how to approach. You hear what Carter say? Approach the ladies like a gentleman. You understand?
Like a gentleman, yes.
You know, say, boy, just, hi. Like, you know, yeah, no, yo, come here, psst, moms, oh, you know, they love, in just different, in just different.
Clear. I roll up in the head.
I don't like your style, man. Come on here, y'all.
I cook it for you, cook. I'm going to tell you guys to go buy chips. Chips, no.
I'm not cook today.
So then I can't for you, baby. Me have to say, I just want to take the boy number. How you like him? And he like you. That's what you call him.
Guess what? You ever hear about destiny? Yeah. If we're destined today, we are going to never see him again one day. I'm just run and give man my number, so. And that with you. You love man too much. Are you weird? Yeah, about this one. Come in the yard, man. Come. Girl, come.
I bet you coloring book you want to go look for. Look, let's talk about Bestfriend. Cool. See what clean, come in there.
See, I see I break it down 4 times already, but do me a beg you, just run over it one more time.
Oh, boss, me I tell you the truth now. I break it down now. I break down. I get this. I don't understand and more. Right now, this can't pay the man and I still break it down, so the man I need to do something.
Yo, tell her, just run over it one more time. I beg you, do. And just send the information and come here a whole heap of work for the weekend too.
No problem, boss. I can't do it. No problem doing that.
Alright, watch out. Hello. Give me 1 minute.
See a thing, boss.
We can't get back 1 more minute here. Come on, my son, man. It's too brown for my son.
Evening.
Good day, good morning, good everything. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay, you know. I'm just a good person.
You know, say, still, I don't know if you remember me, but yesterday, I mean, you right, so you talk to your friend. You know his friend, my Tickles there.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Imagine I answer it. Tell them somebody can want for business. Please. They know how to business. Yeah, me I say me don't know if you know. So me I beg you all look up favor. You don't know me, you don't know nothing about me yet, but me I beg you, please. Make your friend get me number. I'll give you my number right now.
Hold on this, sir. No disrespecting about my friend and me. Me not supposed to take number for give me friend. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
But you see, because the way how you're polite and way you come about things, me I go take it But you see, if she not call you, don't bother if you say a me or a she.
No man, no problem here that man. I just want you to give her number. Maybe she not have to call it today. Maybe she not have to call it tomorrow. I could have next 2 weeks or 2 years. The way how me willing, me will sit down and wait. So I just want to know if you give her the number.
Alright, no problem. You can put your number here.
Thank you. David name here.
David.
David.
Me can ask one question.
Yeah, of course.
Are you phone boy that day?
No man, oh gosh man, not like that. What would I say now? I'm an assistant.
I try to see you give me phone for your answer, but
So,
what kind of work you do make me assistant?
hello. Let's make things more spicy. You see, if you give me a girl a number, and she call me, we tell her everything for tell her.
Fair enough. Alright, there.
Alright.
Nice meeting you again.
Yeah man.
You soon call back.
Me take your number man.
Hold on.
Hello, good day. Yeah, next 25 minutes. Yeah, we can work with that. Alright, me shoot you a message on WhatsApp. Yes.
So boss, yeah, ask that question. Like you like, you know?
Be like our friend.
Yeah, like our friend, like our friend. Let me get the one in the man.
Let's get back to work.
Alright, boss.
Climb.
Eh?
Remember for a morning, me I tell us I'm not feel good.
Tia,
Yes, climb.
you have one man in your life, one friend down. That me, right? Tia, you want a man in your life, yeah? Yeah, you see all I feeling where you have, and you have a save up in your back, in your chest, in your forehead, and the next important part. You get a man in your life.
What make everything about that? And then that man, I true yesterday morning, you come wait me put on my bed in at 6 o'clock or 6:30 to go beach. Me not even cool off or nothing, me just come out in my ear, so.
So Tia,
And
me
then
come
me
wake
go-
up you. Me come wake up out of your bed until you go beach. Me put one knife on your throat until you go beach.
You know, so
You know, come
anytime you come call me go come out. No
Well-
matter what me I do.
next time I call you forward. You know, say if you not forward, me I go vex, cause I know where my born, you know.
You see, same
Me
thing.
jealous of my friend, them, you know. If me have a woman in my life, me jealous of my woman. And me have a friend in my life, me jealous. The time of day I start chat, you crutch me, chat too much. Crutch me, man. Until me head thrown.
Me tell us I'm not feel good and you're not even say alright. Make you give me one remedy to my throat.
Who, me? And that's why me tell you say you want a man in your life. The only thing me can give you a massage. Oh yeah, yeah, sweat socks. Come make
You
you
not
sick for you, you
feel
know.
good, man.
Oh God, man. Turn around. Come make you sick for you, man. I want to high listen to your forehead, you know, Kia. Oh God. You want me to go buy a pill for you?
You know, say you stay bad. You not take nothing serious. Me tell you something not feel good and you talk about aisle. Oh, aisle come
Oh,
up
you
in
mean me
this.
stay bad?
I'm not tough.
Yes, so when you don't have a good friend in our life, you don't say they stay bad. And when you don't have a bad friend in our life, I them they run down. Me and a good friend.
You're a good friend, man.
Alright.
I'm not tough. For my friend Ali, you know. Me line up with two of them. What with the two of them? Because she has shown me one little pre yesterday. Say she can't sleep in your yard. You're not even showing no interest, no little nothing. What really I want?
So you have to tell her that?
And I like she have to tell me that. But I'm my friend, so you know, so we have a reason and something.
Yeah. You see, Alia, nice, sexy, kind. You see me? Me can't take that from her, but you know, sometimes like the Wi-Fi not connect no key or you wait for your load. You just not connect.
I know the process, man.
Yeah, you see, she time when she come over my yard and now, me think about it. But me never want ask her for sex and it go happen and then tomorrow morning me want come like a wrong thing me do. Me never sure, so me never want me and her to have sex.
No.
And then me hurt her feelings.
Me understand what you say, Claire.
Watch out, as me I talk about her.
You remember the youth done that? You meet yesterday? The youth will call you over and they ask you a question. I say, boy, give me a number for you. They like you. I'll have one man done there talk about the phone. A phone boy. Assistant. One bag of something. Then give me a number for you.
Which you that?
You remember you we meet yesterday, we were saying kind of nice, and me asked you what me tell you to key number, girl.
They can't have to tell me, give me number, man. That takes a long face.
Me say name Davy, and you say call him. What bag of something? Me tell you say like the boy there, you know.
Davy.
Yes, Davy. But you blush, me know I like you, boy. I know me know I like you, boy. Call the boy now.
Wait now. Hello? Yeah, this like girl we did meet yesterday, the tickers. Yeah. Okay. Alright. What you say? What you say? Girl, you say you know I'm meeting. Where coloring book they? Coloring book.
Coloring book.
I know where you could have gone. Somewhere not easy. Maybe I'm sitting for deal with. You say now one meeting.
Anyway, I say boy run, see boy when I say boy polite. Say no business for 2 years, you take for calling me willing for wait for you. Girl, me tell you say that boy don't like you, now you don't like him to say that boy like.
Girl, me never tell us I like him.
Oh, if
Not
you
sure
don't like
me
him,
take
you
him
jump
number.
and call him so quick.
Say me take one number and call
Me no
him.
idiot. A long time I know you like him.
Anyways, coloring book just get up and gone so.
You just get up and gone so. And you feel know. Later, yeah. I'll put my have it yard.
I understand coloring book. Man, they are so good.
Yo, me J, evening.
Evening.
That question, me J.
You walk on.
No, what area?
Live in your area, walk on.
Boy, I know, say, my boys get a project on the beach road and I kind of look a couple of house. For put some work kind of. I'm a big project up on the road there.
So what you say? You have a boss so you get some project down here.
Yeah, man.
And you look some house to rent.
I mean, if you put some work,
Some
we in a
worker,
construction field.
Oh.
So if you know none there, we can get 1 or 2.
Oh. Alright, now house now, you know. Most of them houses you see so they rent out already. Some people now pay their rent because things slow. Some of them are buy girl and I buy a week. But anyhow, you have a road, you have to go back out of the lane and you have to go down and take the first left. You have a youth down there named Praddy. Yeah. Right at the shop there so. Just go straight down. Whole heap of house down there so.
Boy, but you know, say, check the youth already because my 17 man say, come up here and ask the T-Dog or coloring book. Him, let me get some.
Oh, coloring booking on a foreign man, so I'm daughter living in a house.
Alright, no problem. Thank you,
here.
G.
Yeah, man.
Alright, respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, no father. No, sir. The first me see him around,
You look like thief, you know.
no man, the man look like a worker man or something. See man I walk on the book and in tablet and something, man. I can't say them no man they a worker man.
Puppy Dan. You see them a thief and nowadays. I saw them this guy, you know.
I true, you have a pint that's
Alright,
for real.
you know in this bag, yeah?
No,
you
me
know.
how in there.
Hey! I want to you, man.
No, you ask me if me know in there, so I look, me I look.
Watch him, man. All in belly.
Yo,
In belly.
blow him man alone. Wait here there. First me I see him, I not see you with you. Wait here there. Cause your father me I didn't even carry tea come. I not like when man father me I didn't. A woman me like, you know, so me say push her back to me gate. What go on?
Tia down there, someone. I don't know where I come from.
Then watch you know. Normally when you go down a tea a whole day you spend. What time?
I am an alley down there, man.
I just 126.
I'm an alley down there, them a go and
But
enjoy.
all when
themselves.
Ali down there spend the whole day, so that's why me I say, how you there so early, what happen?
Boy, yo, you love
You know want to do Ali there?
sometime, you know.
You know want to do Ali there?
No, man. Ali a find a man. Me left him on the phone and talk to a man. Him a blush and everything.
Ali,
man. You see me? Tia, man.
Tia?
Tia.
Where say a while ago? Tia fine man?
Yeah, man.
Hold on, me not hear good, hold on. Where say now?
Me hear them down on the phone, I talk to one man on the phone, them a blush and everything, so I just get up left them, man.
So that's how you come up here?
No, man, I check me, I can't check you, man. What you talk about, man? Me happy for him, man. What you talk about? That's why I come up. Yo, so I can't check you how much time?
Yeah, always check me, but some of my time when I check me, I always carry tea with you and tea pass through and them sitting there.
So every time I can climb, you find somebody here now so I can get a little breeze. I feel locked down. Me talk on the phone and the way I talk like me, no know how she out. But the way I see my blush on the phone, right now you even know so me disappear.
Boyfriend, if you know say Tia fine man I know.
You deserve
and you not fine now man, so I can move with Ali at the same time.
I don't want Ali a puppy than Papi or Ali one nice girl, but me and Ali are not really mesh.
You know like it thick as them?
No, me love thick as you know, but sometimes me and him, me not really want decline like me a downgrade her, cause one nice girl. You get me I say, bro, me just don't want to go America, me rather England.
Oh, me get where you
understand?
Yeah,
so I just choice, everybody have a choice. But different from that, if you don't want to go America, America is a nice place. If you don't want to go England, England is a nice place, although it's cold.
Me see it, yeah,
but me happy for Tia still.
Me see it, me happy for him. Me see it, yo. You don't feel no way about it.
No money, no.
Cause your best friend, no.
You know me charge you, man.
Me tell you, so me see pain face, you feel good about it.
No one chat about that, you know, man. Wait upon.
I there, you know, say this a boy that me try knock on the gate. Cause me tell you, say them a pussy a father me, and me not like pussy father in my yard, you know.
Why yo, me not trust a boy there, you know.
My youth. Talk about Ali and stop talk about man, me say the man good, me don't know him boy good, them man they look like a work, them a work.
Cause me walk and look over people and I look over people.
Well, if you not trust him, go and go walk him down and show him a go then, or see if I don't. Yo, wonder if I my man for Tia. Wonder if I my man, go and go look and see if I my man, if I don't Tia yard them a go.
That me I say to you.
I go like that, you know, so don't say Tia they on phone.
No sir, me no feel so him man. Cause you know why me no believe so? Cause watch now. Yo, Tia belly big and the man belly big. Tia, my friend, Tia no want no big belly man. Me I tell her that. Me sure me I tell her say.
So that's why you know why you know that took off your belly big to have for me big. That's why Tia no give me a chance.
Man. Tia like flat belly man. You understand? Cause me and him always talk. You understand? Yeah. You see me?
Well, I feel them business that still enough.
But yo, a long time me no come see no woman here. Just a walk on.
Yo.
Then the on Sabbath.
Which Sabbath? You wanna know say last night me have a woman there named Sabrina.
Sabrina?
Yeah.
Sabrina?
What happened?
Them me no know Sabrina man.
Say me no must know say you know him, no you ain't come from say you not know him.
No Sabrina over bridge you talk.
You chat too much. Me I tell you that you call out say over bridge you come from.
Up in to wife up Sabrina, you know.
Brother, me not wife up nobody in those forward come give me a nice home thing.
Then the last week in forward and come give me a home style too.
So you are going like you know woman.
Then if me up me yard and up the cold and the setting not comfortable, what me fi do?
Watch that man, hear me I say. You see woman and me a chat to me now want you chat to. So you love Sabrina alone, you know. Okay. Cause my money bigger than for you, you know.
I'm a character, you know, something. Cause me if you know cuss and argue.
No, I will never do that.
Listen now. No woman where you chat to. Woman where you purchase. You are purchasing me of them like a consignment. Of goods. A property were not mine. When you want them, you go over bridge. When I want them, me have them number, me call them and you over bridge and you come and me yard.
So that me does so me get a home style from her. That me tell her so she there and I listen.
So you don't know the one from a white all the big batty one with the big breast and him out big.
What's on that?
Keisha. And Keisha run over there now, you know, over bridge.
You know, so if you tell her
how much in there?
A long time I not go over there and I just mostly call.
You know, say, remember Keisha, you remember when I look Keisha when you go to school and him out to drain water.
Are they really?
Yeah, me no know you get to look good and something.
Then me not go over there tonight then man, me see about Sabrina now. No, give me a number.
He not go over there tonight, me just remember.
You book him already?
No, he say I go country.
Okay. Yeah. I must fear country. You think easy.
Yo. So I'm now. I go for my yard.
At this me I go and fix up. I hammer me I go find a house and I nail up paper and something. You see me?
So me can just use your hand. Like I want nail and nail. Just use your hand.
What me can use for you?
I don't for me house. I don't for me gate.
Then love my business alone, man. I go fix the business.
Hey.
Your best friend over there chat to man.
If you sweep up your yard, you know man, alligator can't paint. Eh?
You know you need to do tops move so close to the best friend cause people see say your woman.
You know say? You think the people them jealous? Are you jealous?
Oh, me jealous.
You don't chat too much, you don't love people business too much.
Are you jealous cause you in the phone and you go away?
Chat too much, man.
Go away.
Hey, what are you book?
What on?
I pray.
There, man. I agree. How about?
I don't know what really go on, but me just say me I can't give you a check because
Oh, you're frightened me.
Tia kind of concerned on the way how you just get up and leave. Because in the phone and by we turn around, we don't see you again, so we wonder what.
And you know, say I just pop it and me say me I can link in a real life. Me say you know just get excited and you know talk and something. So me I say alright, me I go in some girly space. Just jump out and go link pop it on.
I don't know really now one guy when like and the guy like him too. Like I look like him a contractor and he look like he have money, you know. Guy like Tia, you know, and Tia like the guy too, you know. Happy for her still as my friend.
Yeah man, Franny like somebody and somebody like him. Long as somebody will go treat him good and take care of him and think about him best interest and concern. You see me? That alright with me, man. You see me?
Yeah, alright with you. Sure you alright with you, no, cause me know what I go on, you know. You know what I go on and Tia herself know what I go on, you know.
What I go on, I don't know about.
Alright, now make you go further. Make you go further.
You mean if me alright with you? Remember say last 2 relationship with Tia go through, you know. When you get in heartbreak, you know.
And you did it.
And me did it, you know. Over me all over 3 days, you know. Me give me better me nice Tia. Tia know everything about me.
And you know everything about Tia.
Me I'll go over Tia yard, me see me in panty and in Brazil. You see me? If me not for me yard and me in a bathroom, say give me a towel. Like so.
Listen to me now, no, a long time I know you, know. And I just told you. Me and me have a friendship with you and Tia having about a long time I know you. So anyway, make you see it. Even a little relationship with me and you, they have an idea. A little, you know.
What you say going about a little relationship with me?
No go on about it, but me can say you like me, me like you, yes, but your mind is somewhere else. Understand? Your mind not there. It's like when me there, so no one me a reason.
Yeah.
When me did it by myself,
yeah.
Your mind never your body there will be there, you know. But
Yeah.
your mind is somewhere else. And me know where they, you know where they. And see if I go back and say it again, but
Yeah.
say go.
Sorry.
No hard feelings.
Alia.
All of we are big people.
Remember say me now have nobody in my life, you know, me have a woman in my life. So when my mind do that day? when my mind do that day?
If I don't know it, idiot, I don't know it about.
So yo, me ask you a question. Cause me just a think, when I really like me I go in a look a girly business still, you know, but me just concerned about, you know, about Tia. The youth you say like him and him like him. Like how good youth you feel like in a year concerned.
Yeah, good youth.
And take care of him and treat him good and everything.
Me say the boy nice. The boy are willing to wait 2 years. 2 years, no? The boy nice.
And you just know him what you?
I want to say name Davy is saying name. Very nice man. Give me a number. You know, polite too. Very polite. I just you as Mace give me one moment. You know the nice boy then I just like you all the boy when you stand up on corner about the hand and say, yo mama come here. No, I just a polite, nice boy.
Last
I
2
be
months.
work and you know.
Last 2 months with Tia have in their life, you know. Them never have no problem. How me and Tia live, so if this a man and Tia go, them never have a problem, but hope you not mash up the friendship.
No man,
and
no.
the relationship with me and
See
Tia.
you and Tia come like a 2 peas in a pot. Me not see what can mash up that. None at all.
You sure it's a Tia like him?
Then I say girl, you brush. Are your best friend, you know? You never look, you never see.
No, me I tell her say Puppy Dan in call me for me check him, so me just go link Puppy Dan. But he might tell me everything still, but me just ask her like how you were there.
Yeah, she like a guy and the guy like her. The guy very interested. You know, she say the guy make sure she give me a number for give her. You know, see, I mean.
You can't number give him. Yo, me just want to know say she good, man. Me just want to know saying alright, I just that. You see me? You understand?
Yeah, man, she good, man.
I go go in there so still. Me I go lie down cause
Me
I walk up and down in the sun. It kinda hurt me. You see me?
Yeah, just show you the left me to go and check it still.
Tell him say me good, man. Just give me a hug for me when I go back down there. Here.
Yeah, sure
Yeah.
you're good.
Yeah, man. I just the sun, man. Me just a hurt me. You see me?
So-
I go lie down look a bit here.
Ah, boy, my love triangle, yeah.
just hot so.
Sure. Time and the days and the months hot indeed. Anyway, I think I have to tell us me go check coloring book, you know, and ask him or make him just left all of a sudden yesterday.
When you say?
Well, he might be know say popular they call him and he go link up with that. And me ask him if he feel out if I show him tell about the guy, he feel out. He said no, he happy for you.
So wait there, Alia. Wait there. After me never hear him phone ring, you hear him phone ring?
No, me not hear him phone but away say. He's a popular and call him. Probably man phone is on silent. But anyway.
You sure? You sure that?
At that him say he happy for you. And you find somebody and he you know they look petty something there. But
no, but when me I say, Alia, that is not like coloring book. If just get up and just gone. So you sure you not say nothing else, Alia?
no, you not say nothing else.
Alia, look for me. You sure you not miss out something? You not say nothing like.
What happened? You expect him to say something?
I don't really say expect him to say something, but me just can't understand it. But make it see.
You sure so person bad community?
That's a good place, man, because one day when I come through, you know, I check some G up here and the G, I say, yo, the place good, and man born and grow here, you know, so and give me words, and it look like it's a cool youth, sir, so taking words.
Well, for anything else you saw, you know, you may put my trust in her, it has to
Then I say, go bossy.
Still.
Now go grow anything, no.
Well, I can't bother with coloring book, man. I don't know when just get up on this plan. You know, look at that we are talking.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, what's up? Hey, man. You good? Good day, man. You look so nice today. What's going on?
Nothing much in the day here.
Yeah.
So by the way, we are doing up here, so.
And this area.
Mm.
You know, say what day my assistant did come and do when I look some house for workers then stay. Contract work I do.
Yes.
Yeah, so I just that way there I look on one property where workers then can stay. We hear say this area one good look area for them.
Okay, that not bad. That sound very good. Me never expect you to be one contractor. You're so young, but
Boy, ambition goes a long way, you know.
at that me realize the age not have nothing to do with ambition.
I have nothing to do with that. So how are you? You look even better than before.
Thanks. Me there, me just there cool out from my veranda and I go on, you know.
Oh, this is your area?
Yes.
What you saying? Me have to come look for my workers them more often then?
Really now?
Really now.
Okay. So what happened? Me call you and you not call me back.
Sorry about that. As I talk about it now, we just a quick back on mine. You know, so honestly, the same time I call me, we have a client on the line and we did in a meeting, so me just get super caught up. Because sometimes this if you're so young and I do so much things, it just mad my brain sometimes, which is why I'm so grateful for my
You
assistant.
have to take it easy. You can't overwork yourself.
Boy, you're right with that thing, but just the same, how me can make up with you?
Well,
Talk man, yeah, listen. A date.
well, I'm thinking what I'm thinking.
Yeah, date sound like a perfect idea, so I guess please go confirm over the phone.
Well, you have my number so you can link us anytime.
Alright, no problem. So a date is this then.
Sure.
Alright. Hold on. How are you do? You're the come on man. Alright, let's see here.
Fine.
Alright.
Right.
Bye my friend.
Alright.
We are going with things man.
Yeah. I say, look, my friend like that, you know. If I give him some light, you know. Why, Bossy, look like it. Your friend like me, you know, Bossy.
Where's she like you?
Yes, man, yes, she ask me for right now. Number girl to coach, you know, nobody see.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, now that I go on, man, say, you know, say, me and you have to make a flex, you know, Bossy.
Yeah,
I know you alone, I go on, Bossy. Two we have to make a flex.
we are going with things man. Where's she tell you for writing number?
Yes, man, I'm girl the digits, so we are going to look for see what I go on. Because tell the truth, because she look nice.
Boy, if you tell her the truth, you know, a long time, me and you apart, and all these years, I go through so much woman. All of them, the only one thing they want from me, money. They never give me time of day to even get to know me. I'm a time for I don't even think they know my last name. But this a girl, that the one.
send a text card. The B when he said she want a food, you know. So I just send her a message, man.
Yo, bro.
Bro.
The food that we order, bro.
Respect me, bro. How much you food, my dad?
Food up for 3,000 because oxtail and I say a niggerel and the fear for 2,500.
Right, my dad. Now serve food there, don't you?
Bro, a niggerel, bro, tourist era, bro. So then you're expensive, bro.
Alright, next time I know if you do what. How much I say bill again?
5,500, bro. 3 grand for your oxtail, bro, and 2,500 for me fear. So that's 5,500.
There you go. Thank you. Hope for
Alright,
next
bro.
time you can send her a link again.
Oh, God, my fan.
Respect me, daddy.
Respect.
Thank you, my dad. Boy, like me, I pay you a good man. I know you never buy a food for 3,000 in my life. I know pay you, I pay me good boss. You have to impress the girl. You guys say, look like your friend want me. Say she home,
Right now, I'm not telling a lie. Come like y'all impress me too. 3,000.
Let's see what I got.
Coming for dinner, naughty dreadlocks. Guess who? Why pray?
But there, my G, what I got.
Oh, yeah man, the man are looking awesome.
Yeah, man.
So you can get show.
Yeah, man, me get one on this from brother man named Paul, you know.
Oh, Paul.
Yes, man.
Oh, you see the man you tell us to go on a foreign.
Mm.
I'm brother man, me never remember say Paul in our house. You see me?
Okay, me done.
Alright, respect man, every time.
You don't remember me? I mean, you what did outer road, man, when you job pass with the nice girl, man. You don't remember, man?
Oh,
Me, I say me admire in a relationship. What you do with?
Oh, you wanna give me compliments for
Yeah.
your face, say she I'm a woman and me I tell you say no,
Yeah,
I'm a good
man,
friend.
yeah, man.
When me and him hug up and I'm a dope, I'm a G.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it wanna roll.
Yeah, man, you show me some house when I saw you there, I sort out.
So wanna take up severe.
Nah, man, a contractor. We a contractor, man. I'm a boss, this.
Are you bosses?
Yes,
Are you a
man.
contractor?
Yes, man.
How do you make money, man?
We have to do what we have to do.
Yeah,
The family have to survive.
Big up on yourself, man.
Alright, respect me that.
Respect, man. Heart love. Big up on yourself, man.
Alright.
Yeah. Contractor. Boss. Guess who coming for dinner?
Talk up your things with me, what I want.
Girl, wait, now you're so anxious to hear my
I
business.
want to hear no, because enough conversation look interesting. Come talk me.
Alright, so basically, you might tell me say the reason make it in an area because in come look on to house. You understand where he work as a
I want to hear sauce.
what is the sauce? And him invite me out.
Like one date.
Yes, because true, remember somebody call him and he did say na me.
Go the bus way. Date? Like a big restaurant, go eat lobster and fish. Then that day the shrimp pasta, all further pasta. Date?
Date. And in a month so big, I can't want like an ice cream date, I can't want beach date, something simple and nothing nothing too classy. I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyways, say I apologize to me and then look weird because true the day when I call him in a meeting, so I say I'm gonna make it up back to me.
Well, go the bus way, but just
Naughty dreadlocks.
Girl, it's just a
Guess who coming for dinner? I will not drink beer and lift paper yourself. I never like.
You don't miss me?
I miss a man a long time, I don't see you know. Hey, so what happened? My next ugly.
So wait there.
So what happened?
Normally we not gonna not evil at night without talking. No, me not hear from you.
Come on, slow down, chat too much. Come on.
Yeah, I'm good on the road there.
That's your phone.
No, I'm good on the road there.
Oh, I was calling you come here as well.
No, I want to have some time alone.
Come like me sinner bite me. So I bring long time I don't see you. I don't road me there and you say you go up on date. Say, yeah, find somebody sitting. A joke man. Remember say what you me there man and yeah sitting there.
You know say a long time around the side eavesdrop though. How you know say me not even go up on no date? Where you talk about?
Say me you call a man what there and yeah blush. And he come like 2 me see it 2 minutes and I see in phone or 3 phone but he come like
Oh,
man
that's
a
how you
blush.
disappear.
Disappear from our.
You just get up gone. But me and say a puppy done call still so.
No, yeah, what happened? You come like my phone go up and vibrate. I never know. Puppy don't call me for and I just. Show me want mash up a local meeting. Me just cut. You see me? Remember say Ali I come check me. I tell him say, my puppy don't link me. You know.
Yeah, she tell me and something.
So you go up on date?
Not yet. Not yet.
So when you go up on date?
Me not sure.
Me a Tronzy, me put on what me at.
So what want with you?
Me there, man, me there. Yeah,
So what want between you and Alia?
So what date ago? When you go on the date?
Me talk about Alia. Me say what want between you and Alia?
Something I want?
But just ask because I see her forward and then she gone. No little eye contact, nothing.
No
No.
man, me and Ali a good man. Ali a me G man. Me and him have a understanding.
Yeah, G.
Yeah.
So now me a G.
No, yeah, me G with all help on it. You see me? Hold on. See how I call me. Oh.
How would I call them?
No man, you're important more man. One girl me find in Perth over a bridge last night. And me tell him to come feed. So I'm call me, but that it's not important. You are me. So I pray.
So where you do over bridge?
Eh?
Where you do over bridge?
So I play morning football, you know.
Oh, you go exercise? Or exercise?
No, exercise, football.
Oh.
You see me? So when you go up on a date?
What make you so interested in
Because me just happy for you, more know say you're good, more know say, you know, like, you know, you're happy.
When me know, you have to find out.
Oh. So at night or day you go up on a date?
Climb book. Me could talk about the date. And me and you want to talk about. So, Franny, you could walk with something. You could walk with two Malta or something. You just come with the two empty hands, so.
You want Malta?
Yes.
Alright. Anytime I go back up on me, I have Malta in my fridge. But me see all the top come check me. You not come link me again, you not call me. Boy, it's a relationship come like it a good on as a friend, boy, man. I tell you.
Yes.
You see me? Come
Yeah,
like it a pop
friend
down.
and friend of relationship. You think of friendship in him?
So what we have?
Friendship.
Then still relationship. We have friend, relationship.
Alright, anything I call it. Anything I call it, boy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Me a friend man, tell me the truth.
Wow.
You really like you.
I like him.
Like him.
Yeah.
Me happy for you, man.
I know you're happy for me.
Happy for you,
I know, man. As someone when you find somebody where you know, when you connect and that's why I try to set up on Alia. But I don't know what going between you and Alia.
Alia good man. But listen, just get to know this a person and I know everything about him. You know, in flat ground, in front ground. You know, just to know him, not just try to. Remember say last two somebody break your heart, you know. Sometimes and every time you show how did you feel cry upon, you know. So just get to know.
So where you show all day?
Eh?
Wait all day.
Then some supposed to be busy more while.
I must say over Bridget I go busy.
Well, me just glad to me come link you still. Me go link up with and you know call me this time about. You mean so me for link him anytime I check you.
Alright.
So me just give you a little space and something. You see me?
Alright.
Alright, later. You good?
Yeah man, me alright.
Alright.
Me so me I come for Malta, you know.
Alright.
Why but big and serious though. I really like the boy there, you know. Me just like everything about him and me just like how he just ambitious and just, you know. Oh God. I like how coloring book are more strange from other day. Like something just more being alright, you know. More being alright cause sometimes some people go through some things mentally and they not even attack. Boy. Yeah, this time I wake up 6 o'clock, so.
So you might come fast, man.
Yeah. I got tired, man.
We'll jump on out. Alright. so if it be amazing date. I know. The woman loves my life. Every time I come around, I always want to be around. I didn't get a chance, so I always stop. But me just, from the very first time I see her, I know it's different. You know what it happened, but I just didn't know myself, say I was different.
Real know. Because I see him with me. I have 2 men in my life. Like, I know myself a date and I cannot assist them. You understand? So, at this time, I'm God still, you know? Because the 2 persons I used to talk to, but I cannot assist them. Each time they break my heart, I tell her, say, coloring book did it for me, like him always there for me. A shoulder for cry upon and then look away they wipe with tears and you know. So that's the thing said sometime.
What coloring book?
Coloring book I'm a friend, the guy where they see me I walk with the first time. You see me? Take me the pass up and the bike on your road.
Yeah, as I mentioned him to me, you know, so if you say you're going for the first time, I say, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
we don't hook up and jovial and something. But speaking of him, the way you're me close in a full relationship, we're about to feel like nothing can be so close.
Listen what I say. There's a coloring book. I'm a friend. When I say friend, I mean me G. Me charge you far. Me and him come from basic school days till now. You understand what I say? And not just yesterday. So you don't have nothing to worry about. Coloring book is more like a family friend. I'm tell you say, you know my mother, my father, everybody for me. Me know everybody for him. So what you talk about?
All your family are looking too much.
Yeah, I'm a friend.
So you never try looking?
No worry about coloring book.
You sure?
I'm sure. You don't need to worry about him. I'm a friend for sure.
Alright, anything I say that I'm going to follow up with you.
Okay.
Alright, but real and true, I feel go now.
Alright.
But before me, I'll agree. Hold on.
What is that?
As long as I real to me, never real to you. So, I don't keep one if I just saw God in me. That's all I mean.
Like, you know, alright. Sorry, me will talk about you one extent. But me can't believe you.
Just put it down and not even know. But, baby, not even know about that. As long as you're real to me.
Not real to you. Nothing hiding, no secret, no. Right?
Find out. Have to, you know. Say on something else. Alright?
Me tell us something and him.
Alright?
Alright. Now I'm going to use the bathroom.
Alright. Hold it more than there.
Alright.
How would that?
Hold on, how this is the way you lock? What is that? Tia and always lock this on the way. Tia! You guys have made it to the end of this movie. You understand? I'm in love with my best friend. So people, thank you all for watching this movie. And a whole heap movie we have found. You understand? We are going to put in work. Sorry if you never post. You understand? Just because the rain and certain circumstances, so we never get to post a movie last week. But we're there back on chat now. We are going to put in work for you, our fans, Wrld TV. You understand? Big up everybody and big up Phone Strength. And people, as the coloring book tell you in an intro, the general look at donation towards the channel. You understand? Because we need a microphone to get a better audio. You understand? And we have a phone and a camera also, you know. But you understand, we have to do too much movie, so you want another phone where we can do more movie phone also. So who can support, you know, any small donation you have, we accept it. So big up on yourself, Wrld TV, you know you go.